Lamborghini Urus is a super SUV that has taken the automotive world by storm. Please subscribe, share and like this video for an appreciation. Discovery and description. Segment Pioneer. The Urus is not Lamborghini's first SUV, that would be the LM002, but it's their first foray into the modern SUV segment focused on performance and luxury. It's a groundbreaking model for the brand, expanding its reach to a new customer base. Super SUV DNA. It blends the practicality of an SUV with the heart and soul of a Lamborghini supercar. This is evident in its sharp angles, a low-slung roofline for an SUV, and the prominent air intakes, all hinting at the power within. Shared platform, unique tuning. Underneath, it shares its platform with other VW Group SUVs like the Porsche Cayenne, Audi Q8, and Bentley Bentayga. However, Lamborghini's engineers have meticulously tuned the Urus's engine, transmission, suspension, and steering for a distinct Lamborghini driving experience. Unique features and design. Review the exterior design of the Lamborghini Urus, focusing on specific aspects and details. 1. Front fascia. Aggression and aerodynamics. The front of the Urus is its most distinctive feature, immediately conveying its Lamborghini DNA and aggressive intentions. Key elements include hexagonal grille. The large, single-frame hexagonal grille is a signature Lamborghini design cue, reminiscent of the brand's iconic supercars. It's not just for show, it's crucial for engine cooling and airflow management. The blacked-out or carbon fiber grille options further enhance the sporty look. Slim LED headlights. The sleek, narrow LED headlights flank the grille, incorporating the Y-shaped motif that's characteristic of modern Lamborghinis. These headlights often feature intricate light signatures and advanced lighting technology, e.g., matrix LED or laser headlights, depending on the trim and options. Pronounced air intakes. Beneath the grille, you'll find large air intakes integrated into the front bumper. These aren't just for aesthetics, they're functional, channeling air to cool the engine, brakes, and other components. The design of these intakes contributes significantly to the Urus's imposing stance. Front splitter. A prominent front splitter sits at the base of the bumper. This aerodynamic element helps to generate downforce at the front axle, improving stability at high speeds. It also adds to the Urus's aggressive look. Hood lines. The sculpted lines of the hood, with their prominent creases and vents, some functional, some decorative, further emphasize the Urus's powerful presence and hint at the potent engine beneath. 2. Side profile. Dynamics and muscularity. The side view of the Urus reveals its dynamic proportions and muscular build. Sloping roofline. The roofline slopes rearward in a coupe-like fashion, giving the Urus a sportier silhouette than traditional SUVs. However, unlike some coupe SUVs, the Urus manages to maintain reasonable rear headroom despite the sloping roof. Pronounced wheel arches. Wide, muscular wheel arches house the large wheels and emphasize the Urus's all-wheel drive capability. These arches are a key element in its powerful stance. Sharp creases and lines. Sharp creases and character lines run along the sides of the Urus, adding to its visual dynamism and creating interesting light and shadow play. These lines contribute to the overall sense of sharpness and precision in the design. Door mirrors. The door mirrors are typically sleek and aerodynamic, often incorporating integrated turn signals and sometimes featuring carbon fiber caps for a sportier touch. Side skirts. The side skirts, running along the lower part of the doors, can be body-colored or made from carbon fiber, further accentuating the Urus's sporty profile and sometimes incorporating subtle aerodynamic elements. 3. Rear design. Sportiness and sophistication. The rear of the Urus carries forward the sporty and distinctive design language. Slim LED taillights. Slim, horizontally oriented LED taillights, often connected by a thin light strip, are a signature design element of modern Lamborghini. They create a wide and recognizable rear light signature. Quad exhaust pipes. The quad exhaust pipes, typically integrated into the rear bumper, are a clear indication of the Urus's performance capabilities. Their design can vary, with some featuring a more traditional round shape and others a more angular or hexagonal design. Rear diffuser. A prominent rear diffuser, located beneath the bumper, helps to manage airflow at the rear of the vehicle and contributes to downforce. It also adds to the Urus's sporty and aggressive look. Rear hatch. The rear hatch is typically power-operated for convenience and offers access to a reasonably sized cargo area. Its design integrates seamlessly with the overall rear styling. Roof spoiler. A subtle roof spoiler, often body-colored, extends from the top of the rear hatch, further enhancing the Urus's aerodynamics and sporty appearance. 4. Wheels and tires. Style and performance. The wheels and tires play a crucial role in the Urus's overall look and performance. Large wheels. The Urus typically comes with large wheels, ranging from 21 to 23 inches in diameter, depending on the trim level and options. These wheels fill the arches perfectly and contribute to the SUV's imposing presence. Wheel designs. A variety of wheel designs are available, ranging from classic 5-spoke designs to more intricate multi-spoke patterns. Finishes can include silver, black, gunmetal, or even bronze. Performance tires. The Urus is typically equipped with high-performance tires from Pirelli, Michelin, or other leading manufacturers, designed to provide excellent grip and handling in both dry and wet conditions. These tires are crucial for maximizing the Urus's performance capabilities. 5. Color options and customization. Lamborghini offers a wide range of exterior colors for the Urus, from traditional shades like black, white, and grey to more vibrant hues like the verde mantis, lime green, shown in the image, as well as oranges, blues, and other eye-catching colors. Customization options are extensive, allowing owners to personalize their Urus to their tastes. This includes various paint finishes, metallic, pearl, matte, wheel choices, brake caliper colors, and carbon fiber exterior trim elements. The exterior design of the Lamborghini Urus is a masterclass in blending aggressive styling with aerodynamic efficiency and unmistakable Lamborghini DNA. It's a design that turns heads wherever it goes and perfectly embodies the spirit of a super SUV. Interior design. Aviation-inspired cockpit. The interior is designed to evoke the feel of a fighter jet cockpit. The center console features a tamburo drum, housing the start, stop button and gear selector lever, flanked by other controls. High-quality materials. Expect nothing less than the finest leather, alcantara, carbon fiber, and aluminum trim throughout the cabin. Customization options are extensive, allowing owners to personalize their Urus to their tastes. Technology integration. A large touchscreen infotainment system dominates the dashboard, controlling navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. A digital instrument cluster provides the driver with essential information in a clear and customizable format. Practicality. Despite its sporty focus, the Urus offers decent practicality with comfortable seating for 5 adults, in the standard configuration, and a usable cargo space. Performance and powertrain. 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8. The heart of the Urus is a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, generating a colossal 641 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Blistering acceleration. This propels the Urus from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a claimed 3.6 seconds, 0-100 km per hour in 3.3 seconds, and onto a top speed of 190 miles per hour, 305 km per hour. 8-speed automatic transmission. The engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, which sends power to all 4 wheels via Lamborghini's all-wheel drive system. Handling and dynamics. The Urus features adaptive air suspension, active roll stabilization, and rear-wheel steering, all contributing to its impressive handling and agility for an SUV. It can be surprisingly fun to drive on twisty roads, while also offering a comfortable ride on the highway. Market positioning and competition. The Lamborghini Urus competes in the high-performance luxury SUV segment, taking on rivals like Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, Aston Martin DBX 707, BMW X5M Competition, Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S Coupe, Maserati Levante Trofeo. Overall impression. The Lamborghini Urus is a remarkable achievement, successfully blending supercar performance with SUV practicality and head-turning design. It's a statement piece that appeals to those who want a vehicle that can do it all, from hauling the family to setting blistering lap times on a track.